Now we will continue. Okay, here, what is the relationship between the quantitative relationship between quantity of electric current is flowing from cathode to anode. Electrons flows from anode to cathode. Here you can observe the quantitative relation between amount of substance deposited at an electrode and flowing of current through a conductor. The quantitative relationship between quantity of the relation between quantity of current and amount of substance deposited and electrolyzed was presented by electrolyzed at electrode was presented by or represented by Faraday in the form of two laws. Faraday in the form of two laws is called Faraday's law of electrolysis. The first one is Faraday's first law. So what is the statement of Faraday's first law? The amount of any substance deposited or liberated, the amount of any substance deposited or liberated or dissolved at any electrode is directly proportional to that substance. Now I am taking W grams weight, is directly proportional to the quantity of electric current passes through the electrolyte. That means here W is directly proportional to Q. Here W is directly proportional to Q means W is equal to Z into Q, where Z is a electrochemical equivalent. So what is the definition of electrochemical equivalent, sir? Simply, the mass is deposited at electrode when 1 coulomb charge flowing through a conductor. W is equal to Z. The mass is deposited at electrode at cathode or at electrode. The mass is deposited at electrode when 1 coulomb charge passes through a solution. The mass is deposited or liberated when 1 coulomb of charge is passed into the solution is called electrochemical equivalent. Here Z is equal to E by F formula, where E is equal to equivalent weight. What is equivalent weight, sir? Equivalent weight is defined as the mass of any substance produced or consumed. The mass of any substance produced or consumed when 1 mole of electron are passed through the solution. Here flowing of current is there, that is 1 mole of electrons. 1 mole of electron, 1 flow of electron, 1 mole of electron passes through a solution. The mass is deposited the mass of any substance produced or consumed when 1 mole of electron passes through a solution is called equivalent weight. Next, Q is equal to IT is the formula. Now I am taking this is equation 1 now starting. This is equation 2, equation 3. Equation 2 and 3 is replaced with equation 1. W is equal to E by F into IT. I hope it is clear. And okay, what is the formula of equivalent weight, sir? Equivalent weight is nothing but atomic weight by number of electrons. Atomic weight by number of electrons involved in the oxidation or reduction. You can observe here. Equivalent weight is equal to molar mass or molecular mass by number of electrons involved in oxidation or reduction. Now, simply equivalent weight is equal to M by N factor. Next one. A small basic is here. The charge of electron already you know. The charge of electron is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. The charge of 1 mole of electron is equal to 1 Faraday. How it is called? How it is converted, sir? Now, Avogadro number into charge of electron. That means here you can observe 1 mole of electron is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms into 1.602 into 10 to the power 19 coulombs minus 19 coulombs. We can simplify this value, that is equal to 96,480 coulombs. It is nearly equal to the 96,500 coulombs. So that's why here 1 mole of electron is nothing but 96,500 coulomb is equal to 1 Faraday. Is equal to 1 Faraday. Okay, now before what is the formula? W is equal to E by F into IT is there. Now W is equal to, where E is equal to M by NF into IT by 1 Faraday is equal to 1 mole of charge of electrons. That is equal to 1 Faraday is equal to 96,500. This is the mathematical formula of Faraday's first law. This M transposing this side, W by M is equal to I into T NF into 96,500 coulombs. Okay, this is equal to number of moles. Therefore, number of moles of the substance deposited at electrode is equal to I into T by NF into 96,500. I hope it is clear. Now I am taking some examples how to calculate the n factor and the equivalent mass. Sodium, try to gain one electron to form sodium metal. In the sodium ion involving in the reduction, one electron is required. That is called n factor is equal to 1. Equivalent weight is equal to atomic weight of sodium by n factor. That is equal to 23 by 1 is equal to 23 grams. If you take second example, magnesium plus 2 gains 2 electron to form Mg. Number of electrons involved 2. Equivalent weight is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12 grams. Like that, if you take Al plus 3 gains 3 electrons to form Al. Number of electrons here L, number of electrons involved 3, 27 by 3 is equal to 9 grams. In the same way here, same reaction here you can observe. Na plus ion, the charge of electron, how many electrons here? 1 electron. 1 electron is equal to 1 atom of sodium. That means 1 Faraday is equal to 23 gram of sodium atom. If you take this one, 2 electron charge is equal to 1 atom of magnesium. 1 atom of magnesium. That means here 1 mole of electron. This is 1 mole of electron, nothing but 1 Faraday. 2 moles of electron is nothing but 2 Faradays is equal to 24 gram of magnesium atom. Okay, so now I want 1 Faraday here. 24 by 2 is equal to 12 gram of magnesium atom. 12 gram of magnesium atom. To take this one, you can observe 3 electron is nothing but 1 atom of aluminium. That means 3 moles of aluminium, 3 moles of electron is equal to 27 gram of aluminium. It means 3 Faradays is equal to 27 gram. 1 Faraday is equal to 27 by 3. That is equal to 9 gram of aluminum. Okay, this is information about Faraday's first law.